going on, everybody, and welcome to my second video on accident. If you guys missed the first video that I did on accident, we had to save lives. We were training as paramedics in the beginning of the game, and then the story of the game progressed into us having to help 3 cars that were severely injured by what was it? Yeah, in Italy. So there was a log truck that fell on them and we had to try and help them. And now I think we're gonna have a look at this. It says it's completed. I started it but I didn't finish it, so we are going to instantly jump into this. I think I remember everything I'm supposed to do. If not, we'll have to just rewind and carry on. Hopefully there isn't anybody who dies here. Okay, so we're starting immediately and we're driving. Okay, there's a car over there. Okay, it seems I remember we need to put our emergency lights on and phone the paramedics. The first thing we need to do. Okay, so okay, can we start here? Call emergency services. We need to call emergency services as fast as we can. Okay, there is no service. Okay, can I get that? Emergency truck, close the boot. Okay, and I'm assuming I'm gonna, is it this way? Okay, so I'm gonna try and cross the road that side. We're gonna try and do what chicken did and cross the road. Put it down. Okay, so now we need to call emergency services, and because our phone doesn't have any cell reception, we are not going to be able to call them from our phone, so we're gonna have to come look at this vehicle and see if they have a phone for us to use. Hopefully they do. Open. Immediately. Okay, phone from emergency services. Okay, so we're phoning them now. Please pick up, please pick up. Turn off the ignitions, so we'll need to get inside. We'll need to turn off this ignition, we'll need to get out, and we'll have to go to the first car. Okay, come on, remove it. Remove, we gotta take all of this stuff out, come on. Can we remove that? That's stuck. Okay, we can remove all of these. Turn the ignition off. Check your exact location. Okay, gotta be a little bit faster. Okay, so we gotta get inside the vehicle. Okay, so now we need to check on all of the victims. So we are gonna have to come back here. His door was open. Okay, we need to check on him. Need to shake him. Hello sir, can you hear me? I'm gonna just quickly take your seatbelt off for you, sir. Let's open your air passage and let's hear. Okay, perfect. This one's breathing, so we can save this one. Okay, so let us can we check from here? Yes, exactly. Okay, ma'am, can you hear me? I'm gonna quickly take your seatbelt off and I'm gonna have you sit back so that I can hear you breathe, please. Okay, cool. She's breathing as well. Okay, so now, oh, come on, why am I getting stuck? Okay, let's close that window up. Let's close this door. Okay, check your exact location. Did I not do that? Okay. Oh man, I shouldn't be running across the road. Let's just try and get to this guy because this guy's health is going down. We haven't even seen what's going on with him. Okay, sorry, we're gonna need to get inside. Alrighty, sir. Speak to you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir? Let us take that seatbelt of yours off and tilt your head back, please. Okay. Okay, he is breathing. He is breathing. He doesn't sound the absolute best. Okay, so now we need to help the victim. Okay, how are we supposed to... Okay, so we're supposed to pull you out. Okay. Okay, let's do some first aid. We need to put our medical gloves on first because we forgot to do that last time. Okay, let's pick you up. Traffic is good on this side. Just gotta watch for cars there. Okay, cool. So we need to protect that lady from the cold, so we need to get him inside really quickly. Oh man, it's literally like a race. Oh, okay, come on, man. Use those legs of yours and run. Run, come on. Okay, we're gonna try and we're gonna put you inside there. We're gonna close the door. Oh, okay, now we're gonna wait for help to arrive. So we're gonna get in. Okay, we're gonna close our door and we're gonna wait. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, that was really good. Okay, it's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so now let's try and gather all the evidence. That's a clue. Eagle slams the brakes, which locks all four wheels. Is this a clue? No. No. Okay, let's find the clue. Clue. And crashes his car into the parking shed. Okay, that's a clue. Anything else here is a clue. Okay, I think that's all the clues from here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it is safe to come onto the road now. Okay, what is this? Skid marks. Vadim loses control of his car while changing lanes. There's a little bug on my window. Eagle manages to control the slide and turn into the parking area. Okay, this has to be a clue. Okay, Vadim collides with Mayeshkin's car. Another clue. The pickup spins around and slides into a tree. Okay, so we've got all of the clues. Let's try and put them in the right order. Okay, so he'll lose control. Okay, then maybe the pickup truck spins. Eagle manages to control and slide into the parking lot. Eagle slams the brakes. Okay, I think it's that one. And this one. We got it! First try! Despite losing consciousness after being hit the shack, after hitting the shack, Eagle didn't suffer any serious injuries. The paramedics were able to revive him on the way to the hospital, and he was able to leave the next day. During the accident, Leisha suffered only minor injuries. Unfortunately, due to her advanced age and overall poor health, her recovery was slow and problematic. With the support of her husband and their children, she left the hospital after a few months. Vadim's head injury wasn't the most serious threat to his life. Colliding with a tree crushed several of his ribs, which caused a lot of internal damage, including a punctured lung. Most of these were treated at the hospital, but long recovery time was meant. Okay, well, they are all alive, so we didn't kill them, which is a really good thing. Yeah, I think they went pretty well again. We managed to save the people again, and we were able to see a new scenario. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up on the video and make sure you guys subscribe. I want to try and hit 150 subscribers by the end of the year, and you are the people who can make it possible. So let me know, and I would highly appreciate it. You guys, I really hope you enjoyed having our second video on accident, and I can't wait to see you for a third video. Enjoy! Bye!